Welcome to our deep dive exploration of a terrifying yet fascinating natural phenomenon. This video will shed light on supervolcanoes, gigantic volcanic structures with the potential to drastically change life on Earth as we know it. We will specifically focus on Yellowstone, a dormant supervolcano that, if it were to explode, could potentially spell the end for humanity. Join us as we explore the science, history, and theoretical implications of such an event. Let's uncover the truth about the supervolcano that could end humanity. 1. What is a supervolcano? A supervolcano is a volcano that can produce an eruption of magnitude greater than 8 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI. These colossal eruptions can eject more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of volcanic material into the atmosphere. Imagine, if you will, a mountain exploding with such force that it releases more energy than the detonation of countless nuclear bombs. Supervolcanoes are rare beasts, slumbering quietly for hundreds of thousands of years. But when they awaken, they can change the course of life on Earth. Unlike ordinary volcanoes, supervolcanoes lack the typical cone shape, instead existing as massive cauldrons capable of altering the planet's climate for years on end. 2. The Yellowstone supervolcano. One of the most well-known supervolcanoes is the Yellowstone caldera, which sits beneath Yellowstone National Park in the United States. This sleeping giant doesn't spew lava or produce towering ash clouds like traditional volcanoes. Instead, the Yellowstone supervolcano behaves more like a pressure cooker, continuously building up seismic energy beneath the Earth's crust. The caldera was formed during the last massive eruption approximately 640,000 years ago. If a similar event were to happen today, it could cover large portions of North America with ash, disrupt crops, and significantly affect global climate systems. This potential for destruction has made Yellowstone a subject of intense scientific study and speculation. 3. The impact of a supervolcanic eruption. A supervolcanic eruption could have catastrophic effects on our world. The initial explosion would release volcanic ash and gases high into the stratosphere, blocking sunlight and causing temperatures to plunge. This phenomenon, known as a volcanic winter, can lead to crop failures and food shortages. It is believed that such an event contributed to several mass extinctions in Earth's history. The reduction in sunlight, coupled with harmful chemicals in the atmosphere, would create an environment hostile to most forms of life. Beyond the immediate physical and environmental impacts, a supervolcanic eruption could lead to societal upheavals, as countries struggle to cope with the fallout on a global scale. 4. Historical precedents of supervolcanic eruptions. Throughout history, supervolcanic eruptions have left their mark on the planet. The eruption of Mount Toba in Indonesia around 74,000 years ago is considered one of the largest known to mankind. This event ejected massive amounts of material and is thought to have led to a significant reduction in the human population at the time. Other notable supervolcanoes, such as the Campi Flegrei in Italy and the Taupo volcano in New Zealand, have also demonstrated the potential for widespread devastation. Remnants of these geological upheavals can be studied today, providing scientists with clues about the Earth's volatile nature. 5. Monitoring and prediction. Scientists around the world are keeping a close eye on known supervolcanoes, using an array of monitoring technologies. These include seismic sensors, satellite imagery, and gas measurement tools to detect changes in volcanic activity. Monitoring Yellowstone, for instance, is a painstaking effort that involves measuring ground deformation, thermal anomalies, and earthquake swarms. While it's impossible to predict precisely when a supervolcano might erupt, continuous data collection helps scientists model potential scenarios. This ongoing research is vital to developing contingency plans that could mitigate the impact of a supervolcanic event. 6. Could we survive a supervolcanic eruption? The thought of surviving a supervolcanic eruption is daunting. The aftermath would be a test of humanity's resilience and adaptability. Large-scale migration, resource scarcity, and climatic changes would pose serious challenges. Governments worldwide would need robust international cooperation to manage the crisis. Emergency strategies, such as stockpiling food and optimizing global distribution systems, could offer some relief. However, the long-term survival of humans could depend on our ability to innovate and adapt rapidly to changing environmental conditions. 7. The mysterious nature of supervolcanoes remain one of nature's greatest enigmas, their mechanisms and triggers still not fully understood. Despite advances in geological science, the behavior of these massive forces is difficult to predict. While supervolcanoes command respect and fear, they are also a testament to the incredible power of the Earth's geological processes. Studying them offers a window into the planet's history, providing insights into the past that could help predict future geological events. Understanding supervolcanoes also highlights the delicate balance of life on Earth and the forces that can radically transform it. 8. The global implication of a supervolcano. The global implications of a supervolcano eruption extend beyond immediate physical damage. Economies would reel from the shock, facing a downturn due to disrupted supply chains and shrinking agricultural output. Countries heavily reliant on agriculture might struggle to feed their populations, leading to increased competition for dwindling resources. The political landscape could shift dramatically as nations vie for survival. Long-term climate changes could also lead to unpredictable weather patterns, affecting ecosystems worldwide. Even as the world grapples with these potential changes, humanity's focus would likely shift towards sustainable practices, emphasizing the need for strategies to mitigate such natural catastrophes.